Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, May 31st. Another month about to be put into the books. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. So after a late spike down to put the weeklies in balance in the NQ and NES and the dailies down, we spend the entire overnight up to this point below the base of the price spike. Okay? Y22 overnight in ES, 16 for NQ. Just want to make sure I'm still in ones here. Magically turned to ones. Oh no, it looks like I'm back in twos. Yep. So I don't know how that happened, but back in twos. Very frustrating. Anyway, wide overnight POCs for both of us. You can see ES traded down below the 13th weekly low, but again, that's just pre-market. NQ below all this mess, but again, they're above it. So we have PCE out at 8:30. I'm sure that's going to move the algos all over. So it depends on where these overnight highs and lows are. If the overnight high is at this level, this is a great risk-reward short to front run the overnight high and out if you get acceptance above D's low, which is where the market spiked from. Any acceptance back above D, good chance you get into value and go back to the 10 wide POC. Same with NQ. Their spike is L. Any acceptance above it, again, 9 wide POC. So for the bears, you want to defend the overnight highs. Now again, a lot of that could change at 8:30. They could be a lot higher, and then a lot of this goes out the window. And that's why being in my room is the proper thing to do. So you get this up to the date market changing moves. Bears, though, for now want to defend these price spikes. It'll keep value lower on the day. It will keep a bunch of longs underwater still from the past 10 days and start putting some weeklies in danger. So that's their goal. Obviously, the goal of the bulls is to take out the overnight high and try to get acceptance back inside yesterday's value. If you do that, then this will start getting a lot of shorts to run for cover. Now, the overnight's going to show, as of right now, totally short. Now, that could, again, that's why we talk about context. Yes, they could be continuing the short down here, no doubt. But you could also have, because you're not getting any real push below M's low, short covering happening. So even though it's going to show short, I'm not so sure exactly the context of it. So please keep that in mind. As far as, again, the short against here, along, obviously, if you were to take out the overnight high and try to get into value. Those are early plays. I will be recapping all of these charts tonight. Righty, remember, went back to balance on the daily yesterday. They're down on their weekly as opposed to ES and NQ being balanced on the weeklies. They held a little island bottom down here. We'll see if they're going to hold it. Overnight got into it, but that doesn't count. So we'll see how they react this morning. Again, this overnight's probably going to get stretched one way or the other once PCE comes out at 8:30. And then just quickly on our chart on the S&P, for now it's a 3-week balance. If we don't take out the 13th low by a lot, it's a 3-week balance. If we really come in a bit, good chance it could be a 4-week balance. And the daily right now is down, one time framing down for 2 days. We still have a gap. That's our main focus in ES. So we still have a gap from yesterday. We're below the 20, but above the 50. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.